how to create AdWords template on Instagram story. First, open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon at the top to create a story. Make sure you have selected story here, then tap on the gallery icon. You can see template option here, tap on it. Here are the available templates from Instagram. To create your own template, tap on the plus icon at the top. Now tap on the gallery icon and select a photo. Customize it with sticker, photo, emoji, then tap on Add Yours. You can see multiple template options. Pick the one you like, then edit it before you share. When you are done, tap on the arrow button at the bottom. Finally, tap on share. And that's it. This is how you can create AdWords template on Instagram story.